Albion Auto damaged car November 25, 2024. The owner of Albion Auto, Mike, denied being aware of damage to my car after picking it up following service at Albion Auto. When I confronted Mike with the following dashcam video, he admitted he was the one driving my vehicle, but claimed he did not recall hitting anything. See for yourself.
Hey, how's it going?
This thing right out?
I'm taking this out, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna move that truck.
Holy shit. What the fuck am I doing, man? Holy shit.
Does that sound like someone who was unaware of doing damage? Albion Auto is dishonest. Mike denied knowing about it or being involved, despite knowing he was the one at fault. Mike would not agree to repair my car where I wanted it fixed. Mike would not provide his personal insurance policy, and provided me with misleading and false information. He even said he's damaged other vehicles before and it was not a big deal. It has been a negative, unprofessional experience dealing with Mike and Albion Auto. I would not trust my vehicle in their hands again.
Holy shit.
Would you? See full review in description below.